Hello everyone, we are going to start our polynomial stations today with adding of polynomials. So the first thing that I want you to pay attention to is the adding of two polynomials is just like combining like terms. All that we're going to do is look at all of our individual terms and combine the ones that have the same variable and the same exponent. So this problem looks really long, but when I start it, what I want to do is try to combine things that have the same variable and exponent. So the first thing I see is 3x to the fourth. If I look down the rest of the problem, I don't see anything else with a fourth as the exponent. So my first term, 3x to the fourth, doesn't have anything else to go with it. Next, I'm going to switch colors. And my next term I see is a positive 5x to the third. As I look down the rest of my terms, I see another term, positive 2x to the third, that has the same variable and exponent. So I'm going to combine 5x to the thirds and 2x to the thirds to get a positive 7x to the third term. The next thing that I see in my first polynomial is negative 8x, just a plain old x. If I look down the rest of my problem, I see a positive 6x. I'm going to combine negative 8 and positive 6 to get a negative 2x. And finally, I see a positive 7 and a negative 9. So I'm going to combine those two. 7 minus 9 would give me negative 2. So my final answer would be 3x to the fourth plus 7x to the third minus 2x minus 2. All right, you're going to pause the video here. This is the problem that is on your worksheet. So take a pause right here and see if you can do this one on your own before we check. All right, so hopefully you've done this problem on your own and you've pushed play to restart the video and check yourself. So I'm going to say the first thing I see is 6x to the third. As I look down my rest of my polynomial, I don't see anything else to the third, so that term is going to stay all by itself. The next thing I'm looking at is a minus 7x squared and negative 7x squared. I see another x squared here with a 2, so a negative 7 plus 2 would leave me with negative 5x squared. Next up, I have some x terms. I have a positive 3x and a negative 5x. So 3 minus 5 would give me a negative 2x. And then finally, if I scan down the rest all the way at the end, I have a plus 8. I don't have anything to combine with that plus 8, so I'm going to tack it on as its own term. And here is the resulting polynomial. 6x to the third minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 8. So my word of advice to you is to use a few different colors. Make sure that you're combining like terms that have the same variable and exponent. Make sure you check the exponent and make sure that your signs are coming with you. Notice how when I did this one, I highlighted the negative with the 7. I highlighted the negative 5. So make sure that those signs come with you and you're combining like terms. All right, there you go. Start your practice sheet.